This is instrument of Ohm's law apparatus, which is an important law verify the Ohm's law, in which we study that at a constant temperature, volume, the voltage is directly proportional to the current flowing in the circuit. So this is the part of the Ohm's law in which we have jointed all the circuit like voltage, ammeter, rheostat, key, battery and resistance in every single instrument in a single instrument. तो सारे इंस्ट्रूमेंट थे, हमने क्या कनेक्ट किया है, एक ही इंस्ट्रूमेंट में कनेक्ट किया है, एंड दैट विल बिकम द ओम्स लॉ apparatus इन ए सिंगल इंस्ट्रूमेंट. बेसिकली द वोल्ट मीटर डिनोटेड बाय V जो मेज़र करता है वोल्ट. आप इसका कैलकुलेशन दिखा सकते हैं विद द हेल्प ऑफ मिली एमीटर विच कैन डिटेक्ट द measure the direction of current. And you can see the diagram. There is a battery symbol, on off key, rheostat, ammeter, voltmeter, all are different part are situated at a different position. So this key, plug key, works as rheostat switch, जहाँ पे rheostat से क्या कर सकते हैं, इंक्रीज और डिक्रीज करके यू कैन इंक्रीज द डायरेक्शन ऑफ करंट और डिक्रीज द डायरेक्शन ऑफ करंट. वोल्ट मीटर ऑलवेज कनेक्टेड इन पैरेलल कॉम्बिनेशन. इन द डायग्राम दिस इज क्लियर. एमीटर ऑलवेज कनेक्टेड इन सीरीज. बेसिकली डिफरेंट इंस्ट्रूमेंट, different variation. Ammeter of many types take place. Ammeter may be like this. This is also a ammeter which shows A, that is milliammeter, and this may be a voltmeter. Different voltmeter can be like this. This is the voltmeter. So these two instruments we have put here, milliammeter and ammeter, same work. Voltmeter, same work. Either you can use different ammeter and voltmeter, either we use just a single apparatus, Ohm's law apparatus, in which key like this, you can put it here, key. This is called plug key. What is a plug key? This is the on off and on system. This is now become off, and this may work as a on system. This is a plug key system. So if we connect, both type of connection can take place, either the DC, either the AC. If we don't have the availability of the AC, so we can use the DC. In this plugs, two plugs are given here, and on off key, this is connected to the on off key. Let's make me off on. So first we are making the situation with the DC source. DC source maybe take place like this primary cell or the secondary cell. So first we are using a secondary cell, which is dry cell, which is rechargeable. There are two terminals here, positive and negative terminal. Middle one is positive and side one is negative, which is connected with the copper wires. And this is a 2 volt cell, rechargeable dry cell. Then it can work as a secondary cell. So what we have to do, we have to connect this with the positive and the negative, and we will detect what is the process goes on. So we have connected with the DC source. Now let's have a look what is the change take place in this. When we increase the rheostat, what the value affected. Let's have a look here. The voltage changes and the current also changes because both the function are parallel to each other. So both will propagate in the same medium. So up to 1.7 is the volt of this cell, because 2 volt is the capacity of this, so it is making 1.7 approximately. So this voltage and ammeter shows the same deflection because V proportional to I. This is the variation. If we decrease them, same condition with the same improvement take place. So this is, you can draw a V-height graph by increasing or decreasing of the instrument. Maximum this can acquire according to the voltage 1.7, and current is approximately 150 or 160 milliammeter. So there is a variation of the current which goes on with the help of DC source. तो DC में यहाँ तक जाएगा, but if you use the AC, it will goes a different deflection there, in which the rheostat and the resistance wire is also used there as a shunt wire. So least count of the voltmeter can be taken as number of the division 1/10, 0.1 voltmeter of this instrument, and least count of the milliammeter may be 100/10. Means how much the counting and total number of the division can be calculated with this, the least count of the instrument, and that we connected with the DC source. If we connect this with the AC, so let's have a look. This is the key to make it on off. This become on now. Now this off, on. So what is the deflection check place? So when we change the rheostat, the variation is going on the voltmeter as well as the milliammeter. So we can increase up to the maximum because the voltage is maximum here. Automated system is connected, and it can up to bear 5 volt because the capacity of the voltmeter here, the instrument has 5 volt, and so both are parallel to each other. Voltmeter and ammeter both are parallel, so we can increase it amount with the same pattern. How much the voltage increase? The same will be the current increase. So this is the variation of the Ohm's law, which shows that voltage is directly proportional to the current flowing in the circuit. So we weight both the instruments with the help of DC and with the help of AC. So it can works both. Particularly if you don't have the AC, you can use the 2 terminals as a DC source, and if you have the electricity, proper electricity, you can use electricity AC to increase the voltage and the milliammeter. So this is the apparatus of Ohm's law. Either you can use different parts to make this, and otherwise you can just make it with the help of single instrument.